Picture yourself in the 2021 Nissan Armada. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, satellite radio, power liftgate, fog lamps. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.